Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I'm back to you with another video. So today I will be showing you guys not only how I take my pictures for Instagram, but also how I edit them. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm going to show you guys what app I use to take pictures on my Sony a5100. I use the Play Memories app. And basically this app allows you to see what your camera is seeing, and right now it's like focused on this other camera, so I'm gonna move you guys a little bit. Alright guys, so basically this app allows you to take pictures from your phone. Even if you don't have a SD card in your camera, it will still save on your phone. So I definitely recommend getting this app. Unfortunately, I can't take the pictures while I'm screen recording on my iPhone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take some pictures off camera with this camera so you guys can see how the pictures turned out, and then we'll edit them. Alright guys, so that was a little bit of a struggle run, but out of all the pictures that I took, I feel like I got a decent one. So I'm just gonna show you guys. In the Photos app, they actually have an album where all of those pictures go, and it's called Play Memories Mobile, so you can click on that, and at the very bottom we'll have your most recent pictures. So here are the ones that I took today. So I'm looking through them, and to separate them, I'll like favorite the ones that I like. So this one is okay. This one is okay, but not really focused. That one's cute. This one's cute too, but my arm looks a little skinny. That one you can see at my nose. And this one is probably like my favorite one. So out of those, then you have a new album called Favorites, and you can look, you know, out of those four, which ones you like the most. So I definitely like this one. I think it's cute and cheesy. I like this one because it's chill. Maybe crop it like that. This one is like standard cute. So out of these, I'm gonna unfavorite this one because I don't like it as much. So then I have a top 3 pics, and usually I try to edit like no more than 2 to 3 pictures, so I don't have like so many that I like that I have to go through. And so for this one right here, I'm gonna go ahead and add some saturation, just because I know once I begin editing you won't be able to really tell. So I went ahead and add a little bit of saturation. These are more saturated, so they should be good to go. So the first app we're gonna use is FaceTune. And a lot of people use this app to like manipulate their body and stuff like that. I use it just to polish up what I already have. So if I have any acne blemishes and I want to smooth the skin, I do things like that. So you'll go to your favorites tab or album, and you can see like the 3 pictures that you favorited. And we'll just start in order. This is the first one. And so to start off, I'm gonna smooth my skin a little bit. So like I'm doing a little bit on the shoulders and definitely my chest because I have a little bit of acne. And then also I'm gonna zoom in and maybe smooth out a little bit of the skin on my face. Like I said, you don't want to do too much because you don't want to look unrealistic. So you want to go ahead and save that. And then we're gonna do detail. So I'm gonna detail this bright strap right here so it can stand out a little bit more. My earrings, my necklace, the earring on this side. And then I also detail my hair just a little bit, just so the curls can pop. So right there, I'm detailing those finger coils in the front, the little bit of curls that I have popping out on the ends. We're gonna make them stand out. And so that's what the hair is looking like. So we'll go ahead, do a little bit by the eyes. If you do a little bit too much, like by the eyebrows, you can always like erase it. So go ahead and save that. And then the next thing you do, guys, my teeth are already white, and a lot of people ask me about the whiteness of my teeth, which I'll do a video on that for you guys. But in pictures, if you want to brighten up like your eyes or your teeth, like right here, you can see I have like some food in my teeth. Oh, I just took that. That means it's still in there. But you can see I have some food in my teeth, so I'll use that whitening toothbrush, and you can go in there and whiten your teeth a little bit. Now, you can barely tell that I did anything because, like I said, my teeth are already white, but if you pull it back, they look like bright white. So you don't want to do your teeth without doing your eyes, so make sure you do the white part of your eyes. And then if you have highlighter on anywhere, you can like highlight your collarbone by whitening if you want. It's not necessary. I mean, sometimes it looks weird, sometimes it looks decent. You could do like your nose highlight, whiten it a little bit so it stands out, and boom. So we're gonna go ahead and save that, and while we're in this app, we're just gonna go ahead and do the other three that we liked. I need to smooth out these lips, honey, because I did not put anything on them. Alright, so the second app that I use to edit, I'll go into VSCO, and you can go ahead and add all three pictures that you just edited, and you can import them and then click edit. And so this one, since I turned the saturation up already, there's not much more that needs to be done to it, but the one I usually use is C1, and you can choose how much. So this one, I actually think I'm gonna leave it as is, and I'll show you how I edit pictures like that on Instagram. This one right here is cute. I think it'll look cute in this C1. Actually, I like this one too by itself. This one maybe. Yeah, so to get that vintage look, I'll do C1, and I think it looks super cute, and you can use that to edit your pictures. So that, and then just save them and upload them. These all actually look pretty good without putting that filter on it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go into Instagram and edit these in Instagram. So the first one is this one right here, and we'll go to edit, and it has enough brightness, it has enough saturation, maybe warm it up just a tad, and then sharpen it. And I mean, I think this one is good to go. If you want to, you can whiten the background, so your background is white, so we'll just save that. And then this one that's super cute, I would zoom it in just to get rid of that. My arm, it looks super tiny. But we'll edit that. We'll go ahead and add some warmth to that. Yes, that color looks really good. And then maybe just a tad bit of saturation, and then sharpen it. And that looks really good. I'll probably upload that tomorrow. And then the last one is this one, which is one that I think is really cute. And again, we'll do the same thing. The brightness is pretty good because I did have the flash on, but we'll warm it up, add just a tad bit of saturation, and then sharpen it a little bit. And that is good to go and postable to Instagram. If y'all want to see a few pictures of like the ones that I edited with VSCO so you could just see the quality of it, this is one picture that I used that C1 filter on, which looks really cute. This is another one. This one has the C1 filter on it. So you definitely can use both of those apps. A few other editing apps that I have are FaceTune 2, Perfect 365 allows you to smooth your skin too. It's pretty much the same as FaceTune, but it automatically like identifies your face and everything. So like if I went to the camera roll and took the original, let's see, we do this original picture. First of all, you can add like makeup and stuff, but we're not doing that. You can go to tools, soften skin, and then you can like make it really soft, which that looks fake. You can see all my features are blurred, but you can turn it down and make it more realistic. You can go to like your nose, you can enhance your nose. So like if you need a mean contour, like honey, you can contour your nose on here. You can whiten your eyes on here. You can get rid of dark circles. So that's getting rid of dark circles. You can brighten your eyes. You can add lashes, which their lashes one actually isn't that bad. They actually look pretty realistic. You could do lower lashes, the whole 9. But yeah, like I said, those are all of my editing apps that I really use for Instagram. If you guys use any other apps, please let me know in the comment section below if you like them. And give this video a huge thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, you right there. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It's right there. It's free. Just click that button. And if you guys are interested in more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below. I love you guys so much, and never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to the full. Bye guys.